In this video, I will show you how to play JoJo's Bizarre Adventure on PC. Now, even though JoJo's Bizarre Adventure is an Android-based game, it's absolutely possible to play this on PC or even a Mac using the BlueStacks app player. BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so what that allows you to do is play different Android games on your PC or Mac. To get started, what you want to do is come below this video, and in the video description, you're going to see the download link. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a website which is going to look like this. Now, from here, you're going to see a blue button which says Play JoJo's Bizarre Adventure on PC. Give that a click, and that's going to download the BlueStacks installer onto your computer or laptop. Once it's downloaded, give it a click, and then what you can do is run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Once BlueStacks has finished installing, just click the blue launch button, and what that's going to do is open up BlueStacks, and because you've clicked onto the link, it's going to take you directly to the installation page for JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Now, from here, you're going to see a install from Google Play button. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now, from here, just simply click onto the blue install button, and what that's going to do is start to download JoJo's Bizarre Adventure so that you'll be able to play that with BlueStacks on your PC or Mac. Now, just while that's downloading, I just want to run through some features of BlueStacks and why I personally love using it to play Android games on PC. And the first thing I want to talk about is the game controls. So naturally, playing on a computer or laptop leads to a more immersive experience because you're playing on a bigger screen, but you can also use your keyboard and mouse. Now, the controls are preset, good to go, so they're already pre-mapped, but you can of course customize them for your own personal preferences, and there's gamepad support for a lot of Android games as well. Another thing I really love about BlueStacks is the built-in macros feature. What this allows you to do is record and replay actions with just a single key press on your keyboard. So where some Android games, for example, like you can see in the example video, where you've got the task where you have to drag and drop and things like that, it can get quite repetitive and boring. But to speed this up, you can simply just assign a single key on your keyboard and just keep tapping that key to quickly go through the action, and it just makes it a lot more easier to get through those repetitive tasks. Another thing I want to talk about, which I personally love about BlueStacks, is the built-in real-time translation feature, and this allows you to play any Android game in your local language. So if there's games that have come out which are exclusive to other countries, which you've been wanting to play, but of course due to language barrier reasons you've not been able to, well, with BlueStacks built-in real-time translation feature, it's now absolutely possible to play any Android game you want in your local language. Of course, another benefit of playing on computer using BlueStacks is you do enable higher frame rates, which leads to a much overall better and smoother gameplay experience. And you do have the option to play, of course, all your Android games in full HD. So that's a few reasons why I personally love using BlueStacks to play Android games. But as you can see, there's a number of really cool features and benefits of using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Coming back to BlueStacks, you can see that the game has now finished downloading, and it's just finishing up installing. And once that's done, what I'm going to do is just open this on BlueStacks so you can see how this plays and why, again, I would recommend it to play Android games on your PC or Mac. What we're going to do is just select a region, and as you can see, I'm using my mouse here to just click onto the different regions and things like that and control the game. If you come to the right hand side as well, if you click onto the orange keyboard icon, you can actually turn on the on-screen controls so you can see what each key on your keyboard does. What we're going to do is just agree to the terms and jump into the game itself. So here we are, the game has started, and already you can see from the opening animations just how smooth the game is running. You can also see how sharp the screen is, how clear it is, and how much smoother it is to play on a computer compared to playing on your mobile device. So let's go ahead and skip past this bit. And here we are, so the game is just starting, and again you can see just how amazing this runs on BlueStacks. So let's jump into the story, and here we are in game. So I'm just going to show you the gameplay as well so you can see how well it runs. But you can see just how brilliant it looks on a bigger screen and how much more sharp and basically like clear it looks as well. But you can see again, I'm just using my mouse to select everything, and you can see just how great this runs on your PC. So that is how to play JoJo's Bizarre Adventure on PC. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more gaming and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.